In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload bills to Zoho CRM bulk upload. To get started, you will first log into Zoho Books, or into your integrated Zoho Finance portal if that is what you use for billing workflows. Open your browser, go to Zoho, and sign in using your normal method. Once you are in, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace or company profile, because bills belong to a specific set of books. This step matters because importing into the wrong place can cause confusion and require rework. Next, you will navigate to the Purchases section where bills are managed. Look at the left-hand navigation panel and find Purchases. Then select Bills from within Purchases. When you land on the Bills page, you should see the area where existing bills are listed, along with options for creating or managing bills. This is the page that will contain the import option, so it is important to stay in the correct section. Now that you are on the Bills page, you will open the menu options in the top right corner. Find the hamburger or more icon, which is typically shown as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Take a moment to scan the options you see, because the import feature is usually grouped with other actions related to bills. From that drop-down menu, select Import Bills. This will switch you into the import workflow for bills. At this stage, you are preparing to bring in your data in bulk, which means the import tool will read a file you have already prepared. Make sure you have your spreadsheet ready before you start, since the next action is uploading the file. In the import screen, you will click Browse to upload your prepared CSV or TSV file that contains the bill records. After you click Browse, a file picker will appear. Choose your CSV or TSV file from your computer and confirm the upload. It is normal for the system to take a moment to load the file, especially if it contains many bill rows. After the file is uploaded, you will see options to connect your spreadsheet columns to Zoho fields. This is where field mapping happens. You will map the column fields from your spreadsheet to the corresponding Zoho fields. For example, you will map vendor name to vendor name in Zoho, bill hash to the bill number field, order date to the order date field, due date to the due date field, and item amount to the item amount field. If your spreadsheet uses slightly different column headers, the mapping step is still the place where you tell Zoho what each column should represent. This mapping step is one of the most important parts of the process, because correct mapping ensures each value lands in the right place. If something does not match, review the mapping carefully before you import. A small mismatch can lead to incorrect bill details, such as dates placed in the wrong field or amounts not recorded correctly. Once you have mapped the fields, you will complete the bulk upload by clicking Import. After you click Import, Zoho will process the file and create the bill records in your system. Allow the import to finish and watch for confirmation or any messages that indicate success or highlight issues. If the system reports any errors, you can return to adjust your file and mapping, then try again. And that covers the full flow for uploading bills in bulk. With the right navigation, the correct import selection, proper file upload, accurate field mapping, and the final import click, your bill records should be added successfully. And that is all there is to it.